2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, brake assist, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.